Why do you think the students come here? And if the students want to answer that, why do you want to come here? What are you hoping to get out of this group? There's something you're getting out of it.
What I hope to get out of it?
Yeah, let's start with you.
Well, actually, I feel I'm getting more out of it than the students because I'm learning about all the different cultures, and they're just learning about American and English, so I think I've got the long end of the stick. But I enjoy and I like to learn about other cultures. And we do that here. We don't just revolve around American culture, well that's the main thing, but we include aspects of the cultures of the people that are in the class.
Like how many cultures right now are in this room?
Well, the full class isn't here, but
right.
Japan, Taiwan, Poland, Iran, Vietnam.
Wow. It's like the UN.
International.
Yes, actually, I've often thought about that because frequently I look around and I say, wow, if the United Nations worked as well as the people here, it would be a wonderful world. Because people at this class frequently have governments that don't get along with each other. Right. But the people do.
Yeah.
And I think that's something that people have to realize outside of class.
Wow.
Oh, I would like to add something.
Yes, please.
Another reason why we come here, because we like very much our teacher. And he knows a lot.
He does know a lot.
Know everything.
Does he know everything?
He teaches us a lot of life experience.
Oh, yeah.
Something outside of the class.
And
wow.
valuable knowledge.
About everything.
Do you think that's why the UN isn't as good because it doesn't have Bob?
Oh, yeah.
That's why. Okay, well, I'm going to say goodbye now. Could you all wave? Bye. Thank you so much.